Hello everyone, welcome to the Logging Aid channel. For this video, I will be showing you how to use split screen effect on TikTok. Now to begin with, open the TikTok application on your mobile device. Tap open the app. Once you open your app, you need to click on the create button or the plus icon on bottom of your home screen. Tap on it. Now you record a video or you can upload a video from your camera roll. I'm gonna record a video of 15 seconds over here. Once you have recorded your video, now tap on the tick arrow at the right side, tap on it. After that, you need to tap on the effect on the bottom left of your screen. Tap on effect. There you can see the option for the effects to be applied on the video. There's visual, sticker, transition and split. You tap on split. Here you tap or choose the splits that you want to apply on your video. To apply it, you need to tap on effect that you want to apply. And now you can also make changes. As you can see, this split is just for an amount of movement. Now if you move your pictures, you can choose where you want to apply the split effect. I'm going to keep this white light on middle and then tap on an effect in here. You can tap again, and there you can see I'm choosing few of the places just to make sure you see the effects that has been applied are changed to orange. Now you can also choose all the pictures to have the split effect. For that, you just need to move the white lines on top and then keep holding on that effect. And there you can see all the videos will be appear as the split one. Now you tap on save and there you can see the split effect has been applied on the video. Now tap on next and your video will be ready to upload. You can add hashtag or tag some friends and tap on post. And with that, your video will get uploaded on your TikTok account. Hope this video was useful and you have learned how you can apply split screen effect on TikTok. Thank you.